Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I have a little helper in the background. Say hi, Tyler.
Hi, Tyler.
No, say hi to everybody, Tyler. This is Tyler. So today's video is going to be a short video. You hear Mickey Mouse Clubhouse in the background. It is for the Pinchme box. So I got 2 items in this box, and if you don't know what Pinchme is, it is a company that sends you free samples every month for completely free. My little partner is leaving me because Mickey Mouse is on. So yeah, I'll put a link down below in the description. And if you like this video so far, please like and subscribe to my channel. Now on to opening this box. Alright guys, so in the box I got a $60 gift card for HelloFresh. It is a $20 off your first 3 orders. They always send these, so yeah, if you like that, that's a good incentive. And then one of the products they sent me, yeah, okay. One of the products sent me is this Clorox Ultra Clean Disinfectant Wipe. Kills 99.9% of viruses and bacteria. Structured to lift 40% more dirt, 30% thicker to absorb crease. It is in the scent lemon twist, and it is bleach free. And that is that. I'm excited to try this. It does feel thick, although it's like folded, but that's the back if you want to read a little bit more information on it. Ooh. There you go. Pause that and read that. And then the other item they sent, which I'm kind of excited to try, but I'm kind of like a little nerve-wracked to try because it's glitter. It is the Eva NYC or Eva NYC. I don't ever know how to pronounce this brand. It is their Kweeen, Kween. Oh, Kween glitter spray. It's Crysalis, argan oil, and silver glitter. Radiant shimmer instant party for hair and body. So that's that. Actually, let's spray it and see on my arm. See. Does it say, okay, wait. Maybe I should read the directions. It says, calling all queens, add a little sparkle to your strut with Eva NYC Kween glitter spray. This lightweight, non-sticky formula contains ultra fine glitter particles that add a shimmery glow to your pre-party look. Infused with argan oil and Chrysalis protein complex, this salon quality formula delivers optimal anti-breakage benefits while sassing up your style. This disco balls got nothing while sassing up your style. That disco... I reread that wrong. That disco balls got nothing on you. My bad. So directions. Shake before use. Hold 6 to 10 inches away from hair or skin and lightly spray. Build to achieve desired shimmer level. Kweeen glitter spray rinses out after 1 wash. Glitter may transfer to clothes. Alright. I don't know if you can see that, but that is sparkly, guys. My arm is shimmery. I don't know if you can really see that. So about putting this, look at that, in my hair. Like, how is that supposed to come off my hair? Well, we'll see. We'll see if it comes off my arm. But yeah, it smells good and it looks cute. Oh my god, it looks so cute. I'm going to Jamaica in the summer, so definitely going to be using this. That could be all glittery. And if you like my makeup, I'll put a link down below for the tutorial on how I did this. Look, it's like a summery glow style. But yeah, so like always, like and subscribe to my channel. Please like this video if you found it entertaining. And thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good morning, afternoon, or evening, whatever time you're watching. Bye now.